Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, this is Excel Wiz, and today we are diving into something super exciting, that is using the AI extract function in Excel. Whether you're a data analyst or just a student or someone who just loves working with spreadsheets, this powerful AI tool can save you a ton of time and effort. So in the next couple of minutes, I'll walk you through how to use AI extract function step by step, showing you a real life example and tips along the way. So grab your Excel files and let's get started together. AI extract works the same as flash fill in the normal way that we use Excel. An example is when let's take this example that we have here. We have our first names, our last names, and a column of combined. This is where you can just type in, let's say, using this example, we can type in William Ruto and then just select your cell and then Control E, and you'll have then your names combined, all your names combined at the same time. So this is how you do it normally with flash fill, but in this example we are going to I'm going to show you how to use the AI extract to get similar results, but this one is a bit easier and a bit faster, so you may opt out to use this. So let's get started. The very first thing that you need to do, you have to ensure that your Excel has ChatGPT for Excel. I've explained this in a different video. If you don't know how to do that, please go back and watch one of our videos showing this and then come back and continue with this video. Once you've done that, the next thing that you'll come and do is, for this particular example, we have our names and a couple of sentences here that contains different names. So we have our outputs on the right side and we just want to extract the names, that is William, Ruto, Joe Biden, Kamala Harris, and the rest. We only need to extract the names and nothing else. So if we were using the flash fill, we'll just come here and like we did earlier, type in William Ruto and then just select the cell and Control E. See, says we are missing some values, or just highlight it and select it and drop Control E. Once you do Control E, you see this time round it's not working as it was here because we don't have any more data. It will just give you the same name over and over, but this is not what we want to do. So what we need to do is just use the AI extract to be able to extract just the name. So what you need to do, just type in the AI extract, AI.extract formula. You have it as the third choice. So click on it and then you have this formula AI.extract. You have to need to have the value that you're extracting your information from, and the extract is the exact thing that you need to extract or to put in your sheet. So our value in this particular case is this. It's this information that you've typed in here. So you select it, type in comma, and then your extract now in this particular case is names. Click on names and close your parentheses and hit enter. ChatGPT will do its thing, and as you can see, you have your names: William Ruto, Joe Biden, Kamala Harris, Michelle Obama, Jane Clinton, and Hillary White, all of them combined, just as we used the flash fill on the right side here. So as you can see, it's that easy. You just need to know the value. You just need to select the value, the range of the value where your names or whatever thing that you need to be extracted is. And just to show you that you can actually extract more information, we'll move on to this other example where we have a couple of emails here. There are different emails, so we just come here in an empty cell, click AI, the formula AI.extract, it's the third one. Just click on it. As we said earlier, you select the range of your values, where your values are, click comma, and then select the extract. What do you need extracted from the range of values that you've currently selected? At this particular point, we only need the emails. So close your parentheses and hit enter, and ChatGPT will do its thing. As you can see, we have ChatGPT has extracted all our emails, and by the third email, kamara.trees.com, this is not an email. This is why ChatGPT has written that it's not found. So what you can do, you can just go back to the range of your values and correct that email, and you'll get the exact values that you need. So this is what you just need to do. It's that simple. It's just a similar way of rather than using the flash fill, you just use AI.extract. So if you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comment section. If you have similar ways that you'd like us, or if you'd like us to do a different video concerning anything, please feel free to type in the comment section. As always, thank you very much for watching, and see you again in the next video. Bye.